Dear audience, welcome to the Dhaka Times News Analysis segment. This is Mohammad Sadaruddin. Today, we will discuss about the situation of Afghanistan. Dear audience, we know that Afghanistan is a very crucial place in today's world. Uh, USA and NATO will withdraw all of its military forces from Afghanistan by 31st August. Now, this country is in the center of discussion in the world politics. What will happen in Afghanistan after US and NATO's military withdrawal? Security experts say that Afghan government can fail to provide the security in this country and Taliban can grab the government's power. And if Taliban grabs the government's power, the total scenario in this region will change. Recently, we have seen that Taliban has visited Russia and China, and Taliban has assured these two countries that if they can grab the government power, they will provide the opportunity these two countries. That means China can enter in Afghanistan, and we know that China is busy to increase their Belt and Road Initiative activities, and China can enter in Afghanistan to promote their purposes. If China goes to Afghanistan, they can extract all the natural resources from Afghanistan, and China fears that if Taliban comes to the power and Afghanistan can incite the Uyghurs, but the Taliban has assured China that they will not such thing that can be harmful for China. And here there are many things. Suppose if Taliban comes to the power, there may be migration crisis in the West Asia because there are many Afghans who have worked for US government and after the US military withdrawal, and these Afghans may face many problems and they may flee from Afghanistan to save their life from Taliban, and this may create a global migration crisis. And recently USA has taken 2,500 Afghans to the USA as a refugee, and but there are many people in Afghanistan who have worked for USA, but they are not getting opportunity to go to the USA, and this is the concern for migration crisis. And recently we have seen that Iraq's president has visited USA, and USA President Joe Biden has assured that they will withdraw their military forces from Iraq also, and so we are watching that USA is going to complete their operation from the West Asian countries. They are continuing their discussion, but they have not raised in a solution. The world leaders and the security experts believe that there will be a solution between Taliban and Afghanistan government, but the fear is that the security situation in Afghanistan may deteriorate and may create a chaos in this region. Recently, Taliban has increased their activities in Afghanistan to grab all the territories. Taliban has claimed that they have grabbed 85% of Afghanistan's territory, but Afghanistan government has denied this claim. Recently, Taliban is trying to grab or to capture the main cities in Afghanistan, but Afghanistan's government is trying to save or to protect the main cities. Recently, Afghanistan's President Ashraf Ghani has provided a security plan to protect the main cities from Afghanistan, and current Afghanistan's government is trying to protect all the territories and people from Taliban forces, but there is a concern about the Afghanistan's politics in future, and we have to wait to see the situation after US military withdrawal. Dear audience, thank you for being with us.